Ansoff Matrix, Growth Strategies. Hey, Scarecrow here. Today I will talk about Ansoff Matrix, Growth Strategies. I will be using iTool for this. Okay. So, let's start. The Ansoff Matrix, also known as the Product Market Expansion Grid, is a strategic planning tool that helps businesses determine their growth strategy. It outlines 4 growth strategies based on whether a business is targeting existing or new markets with existing or new products. Here is a breakdown of the 4 strategies. 1. Market penetration, existing markets, existing products. Focus, increasing sales of existing products in existing markets. Strategies. Increasing market share. Increasing usage rates among existing customers. Attracting competitors' customers. Improving marketing and sales efforts. Risk, lowest risk, as it involves familiar products and markets. Example, a coffee shop offering loyalty programs to increase repeat visits. 2. Market development, new markets, existing products. Focus, introducing existing products into new markets. Strategies. Entering new geographic markets. Targeting new customer segments. Expanding distribution channels. Risk, moderate risk, as it involves entering unfamiliar markets. Example, a clothing brand expanding its sales to international markets. 3. Product development, existing markets, new products. Focus, introducing new products to existing markets. Strategies. Developing new product features. Introducing new product variations. Expanding the product line. Risk, moderate risk, as it involves developing new products. Example, a tech company launching a new version of its software with enhanced features. 4. Diversification, new markets, new products. Focus, introducing new products into new markets. Strategies. Entering unrelated markets. Acquiring new businesses. Developing entirely new product lines. Risk, highest risk, as it involves both new products and new markets. Example, a food company acquiring a technology startup. Key considerations. Risk assessment, each strategy carries different levels of risk. Resource allocation, businesses must allocate resources appropriately to support their chosen strategy. Market analysis, thorough market research is essential for successful implementation. Competitive analysis, understanding the competitive landscape is crucial for success. Benefits of the Ansoff Matrix. Provides a simple and clear framework for growth planning. Helps businesses identify and evaluate growth opportunities. Facilitates strategic decision-making. The Ansoff Matrix is a valuable tool for businesses to assess their growth options and develop effective growth strategies. That's the end. Now, you can check out my other videos.